Hi guys, how na day? So today's tutorial, we're not going to waste our time. As you can see, so we have to fold it at the back. So guys, keep on washing. Oh, keep on washing. Don't want the other color to appear. So that is what I'm trying to do. So bring it to the front like this. So let me just leave it. Then let's check. Yeah. See this? So we're going to try to solve it. So this one now is going to the back. You see this place? Here, we try to bring it out. You can try this style with any scarf. You can even try it with Ankara. Then try to shift it to the back. So if we are done, so I want to clean it down here. It's because I did not put anything on that this thing. If not, so that place will have stand normal. But I don't want to put anything. Because at times, you just want your hair to be like that. You don't want to do your hair and you need to do what? To apply scarf on it. Then we pin this plate too. For the scarf to stay to just stand without moving down. So my beautiful family, my beautiful family. How did you see it now? So we can pin this place too. We can pin it for it to stand as well. That is just it. So my people, we are done. This is just it's very, very simple. Very simple to grab. Look at the back. Mm. So guys, let me see what you think about it at the comment section. Please, I'm begging you. Always help me to share my video. Guys, please share my video. I'm begging you guys, please help me share my video. Help me share my video. Like, comment, and share. Like, comment, and share. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.